Love is a unified field. To love means to fall in love. Did you ever wonder why they say fall in love? Yes. You really have to fall in it without any expectations, inhibitions, or fears. That is love. Unlike we are told to pursue in recent times, like to love is to make them love you back. To love is to expect them to do something for you. To love is to be possessed by you. This is what we are taught through movies, through society, through consumerism, or whatever. But friends, love is really all about giving. When you say you love something, that means you want to give love. That is the meaning of loving. When you say you love this bird, you don't expect it to love you back. What you want it to do is just exist the way it is so that you can love it the way you like it. That is real love. When you love some food, you just love it for the way it is. You don't expect that particular cake to love you back, or if you love particular star, a movie star or a sports person, Sachin Tendulkar, Roger Federer, or Salman Khan, Amir Khan, whoever, when you say you love them, or for that matter, Aishwarya Rai or Mother Teresa, when you say you love them, that means you like them for what they are. You are not expecting them to love you back. Alright? Your happiness ends in admiring them, in knowing about them, in understanding them. That is love. It's about giving. It's about experiencing that warmth of giving. It's about creating space for somebody in your deepest corners of mind and heart. That is love, my friends. So, on this Valentine's Day, I don't know if I'm sounding relevant or irrelevant, but what I can heartfully suggest to you all is to fall in love, because this love is a unified field. Don't just pollute it thinking love is for a girl or a woman or for a mother or something like that. Love is one unified field where you can connect and interact with everything and also with yourself. It's an emotion we all have to experience, nurture, culture, and also share. Don't forget to share your love before you start expecting. For that matter, never expect love. Wait for the surprise. Wait for the magic. Just enjoy giving love. Fall in love and dive into this unified field of beautiful consciousness. Happy Valentine's Day.